Hey guys, so before I jumped into the tutorial, I wanted to show you guys what comes in the box with the hair because Unice Hair never fails to send me some goodies with my wigs. And here it's the amazing wig they sent me. It's a reddish brown hair, kinky straight 13 by 4 wig. And this is how it looks. It comes with the adjustable and removable strap on the back. It comes with all these clips on the inside to make sure your wig is gonna stay in place. But me personally, I'm gonna remove them because they make me uncomfortable. So this is the hair. Look how thick is this wig. Like literally the thickest kinky straight wig ever. So I went ahead and I customized the wig off camera because it's a colored wig. I usually don't do bleaching the knots, but I did it this time because last time I installed a wig this color, I had a little bit of a hard time. Eventually it ended up working out, but I did have a hard time. So here I'm just passing the hot comb and creating my part because to me it's just gonna be an easier install. And I'm also styling the hair outside my head because it's just too much volume in this wig and I want to make sure I get it as silky as possible. I'm gonna be using some heat protectant spray and I'm also gonna use my wax stick. Of course I'm not gonna show how I do it, but this is a clip of the hair halfway through and then I'm gonna show you guys the hair completely done. So this is the result of my silk press on this wig. The silk press is silk pressing. You can't tell me that it doesn't look good because it does. It looks amazing. It's super silky but still has that kinky-ish texture. It looks like somebody's real hair but with the silk press. So now that the hair is ready and styled as my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the hair. For this wig, I am going to do a bald cap method. Unice Hair sent me a few of these really good sheer wig caps and they are so good and they make the installation so much better. For bald cap methods, they are better than the regular wig caps. So I'm gonna use some glue to secure the bald cap. When it's ready, I'm just gonna cut the excess lace and I'm gonna just pull it to the back. You guys are gonna see how I'm gonna do it. And then I'm gonna put some foundation on my bald cap so it matches my skin and it looks more natural under the wig. And I'm also gonna put some of that same foundation inside my lace so it matches with my skin. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. This is the hair. This is how the wig looks on me. It was pretty much my size. I only had to cut a little bit of the excess lace on the sides. And then I made 3 sections for installation. You guys already know how I do it. But if you're new here, I like to install my wigs in little sections so the installation can be flawless. This is a great tip if you are a beginner. This would help you a lot when installing the wigs. And I use Ebine lace spray to glue my wigs because it's just better. I try a lot of wigs all the time and you know that's what works best for me. And it also can last up to 2 weeks and is very comfortable in your skin and it doesn't make you break out or anything. So what I do is I make sure I spray about 3 to 4 layers I use my blow dryer to dry in between the layers, and then when it gets tacky, I place the wig on top and I start pressing it, as you guys can see, with my reptile comb to make sure it sticks to my skin. It's a very easy way to install the wigs. If you follow these steps, you shouldn't have any problem doing it. I also use the blow dryer to make sure everything is completely dry, and I start with the middle section and then I work my way to the side.
2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play
I feel like these kind of colors suit me so well. I don't know what it is, I don't know why, but they just, like the reddish browns and the browns, they just look amazing on me. Complements my skin very well, complements myself very well. Like, this is one of my favorite installs so far. The kinky hair makes it even better because it just looks like it's my own hair. I am absolutely in love. I was a little bit scared when I saw how voluminous the wig was, but you know, after I did the silk press, it looks so much better and I was even happier with it. Sometimes like this kinky straight hair sometimes doesn't take heat properly. It doesn't get as flat as it could get, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. At least for me, when the hair has way too much volume, it just gets overwhelming. But this was just perfect. The silk press was the icing on the cake for this wig. So the next step is to cut the excess lace and the front. Before, I used to put my elastic band first and then cut the excess lace, but then I started noticing that I get more lifting when cutting the lace if I put the headband wig before. So now what I do is I cut it right after gluing it, and then I fix whatever little mistake and little lifting happens, and then after all of that, I'm gonna put my elastic band. And while I have my elastic band on, I'm gonna go ahead and get my makeup done, and then I'll come and show you guys the final result.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe.
I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm gonna link the hair in the description box. I'm also gonna leave other information and details that you guys might need. It's the holiday time, and this is the perfect time to buy you some new hair to start the new year. So go ahead and check the description box for all the information and all the links, and I will see you guys on my next video. Muchísimos besitos. Happy holidays.